Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So over the last week since the Hero 10 Black has been released on my YouTube channel, email, and other social media, I've had a lot of questions asking about what gear is compatible with the Hero 10. It can be a little confusing because over the last few generations of GoPros they've changed the form factor, so not everything is compatible with one another. When we went from the Hero 7 to the Hero 8, we've seen a form factor change, and then again to the Hero 9. Now this year with the Hero 10, it has the exact same form factor and dimensions as the Hero 9. So a good general rule if you're out buying accessories for your new Hero 10 Black, anything that was compatible with the Hero 9 Black will be compatible with the Hero 10 Black. Now when it comes to accessories for your GoPro, some gear is specific to every generation. For example, when it comes to things like cases, batteries, those are very specific to every generation of GoPro. However, when it comes to various mounts and accessories like that, for example, I have the Max Grip here. These can be used with any generation of GoPro going back to the very first GoPro. If it has a finger mount on it for mounting your GoPro, it doesn't matter what generation you have, it will be compatible. Now I've got some common accessories here that people may have questions about, so we'll kind of go over everything quickly. As mentioned, the Hero 10 Black has the exact same form factor as the Hero 9, so all the gear that you see labeled in stores as Hero 9 will work with the Hero 10. That goes for the media mod for the Hero 9 Black, will work with the Hero 10 Black. Batteries for the Hero 9 and chargers for the Hero 9 Black will work with the Hero 10 Black as well. Third-party side doors that have that USB opening so you can plug in a power bank. Even the official one here that GoPro sells is compatible with the Hero 10 Black as well. Now if you have any filters here, ND filters, I've got some various ones here from Polar Pro, from Freewell Gear. These are all designed for the Hero 9 Black, and again they are fully compatible with the Hero 10 Black. Now here I have the waterproof housing for the Hero 9 Black. Again, this is fully compatible with the Hero 10 Black. This is one of those accessories that I do recommend people pick up, especially if you're going to be putting your GoPro in situations where it could potentially get damaged. These are not just necessarily for going deep in water. The GoPro is waterproof right up to 33 feet. If you're going to be doing any kind of scuba diving, then you have to put it in some extra waterproof housing to be able to go deeper. But these are great just to keep your GoPro protected. For example, when I mount a GoPro on my RC cars, most of the time I will put it in a protective housing like that. And that way if the car flips or does something crazy, the screens on the GoPro or the lens won't get damaged. This is the official GoPro one, but you can get third-party ones that are quite a bit cheaper. And at the end of the day, if you end up cracking it or doing something, it's cheaper to replace the housing than it is to replace your whole GoPro. Over here, I have a set of snorkel filters and dye filters. Now these are actually for the Hero 8 Black waterproof housing, but they will work with the Hero 9 and Hero 10 Black waterproof housing as well. If you're not quite sure what a snorkel filter does, if you're going to be filming underwater, say you go to the tropics and you're going to be doing some snorkeling, what these do is add the red tone back in the image. When you're underwater filming with a GoPro, reds have a hard time penetrating through the water, so it's hard to pick up the red colors. Everything will look really blue. This just makes it look a lot nicer and a lot more natural. Now here is a sleeve and lanyard from GoPro. There's third-party ones like this available on Amazon as well. And if you purchase the ones for the Hero 9 Black, it'll be fully compatible with the Hero 10 Black. As you can see there, you still have full access to your finger mounts, but it gives you a nice little lanyard you can hang around your neck or put around your wrist, and it'll add a little bit of scuff protection to your GoPro. Again, the ones for the Hero 9 Black are compatible with the Hero 10 Black. GoPro sells ones for the Hero 8 Black, and they will not be compatible because the cameras are different. The new remote that GoPro is selling, they launched this earlier this year. It's fully compatible with the Hero 10 Black. The older remote that GoPro sold, the smart remote, is not compatible with the Hero 10 Black or the Hero 9 Black. This is aluminum housing for your GoPro. This is for the Hero 9 Black, and again, it is fully compatible with the Hero 10 Black. Now, the microphone adapter, this thing was launched alongside the Hero 5, and this is something I've been asked about quite a bit, and that's if it's compatible with the Hero 10. And yes, indeed, I have tested it out, and it works perfectly with the Hero 10 Black. Last year with the Hero 9 Black, we had to wait for a firmware update for this to work, but the microphone adapter is working as of day one for the Hero 10 Black. Now, lastly here, the only one that's a little bit confusing right now is the Max Lens mod. This was originally launched for the Hero 9 Black, and it will be compatible with the Hero 10 Black, however, it's not compatible yet. There's going to be a firmware update later this fall that will make this compatible. So if you have this and you're thinking about upgrading to the Hero 10 Black, rest assured it will be compatible, but just not yet. And lastly, we'll take a look at some of the other mods that GoPro sells. We have their light mod and their display mod. Again, these are fully compatible with the Hero 10 Black. These are not specific to any GoPro generation. The display mod works in conjunction with the media mod, so if you want to use the display mod, you do have to purchase the media mod as well. The GoPro light mod will work with anything, obviously, because it's just an independent light. So that's basically it. Hopefully that cleared up any confusion that you may have. If you're new to GoPro and you're wondering what is compatible with the Hero 10 Black and what's not, again, just to recap, anything that's labeled compatible with the Hero 9 will be compatible with the Hero 10 Black, and any type of mount that just has a finger mount on it will work with the Hero 10 Black or any generation of GoPro. Well, folks, that's it. Hopefully you found this useful and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.